Duty ako kumawa ba eh. Creepy man. Wait lang isa. Tara guys, manula tayo ng bad parenting. Tara play. Let's go. Bad parenting. Story 1. Lailay din story day. Mr. Redface. Duh, kago. Uy, bullshit. Kisa man eh. Son. Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some sympathy for me? Mama na ko ni? But today is my birthday. Oh, of course. I know that. Then where is my gift? Patay, nalimtan akong gift, guys. Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Yawa, ning lamuka niyo. Really? Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. I'm going to bed right now. I'm going to bed right now, Mom. Wala ako niga. Kisam na. You're fooling the kid again. How many times have you come home this late? I was working and my shift ended late. Bullshit. Huwag na ako. Oh, papa ko na. Bullshit mo na siya. You still think I'm an idiot, don't you? Ay, gago. Hey, little shit, get back to your room. Don't stand here eavesdropping on grown-ups' conversations. Okay. Mau na akong mama? Mau na akong papa? Itig na ako to. Oy, layuan ninyo mag-away. Oy, padool mo, bay. Para dali raw subag-sumbag ba? Asa akong kwarto diri-diri? Ay, dala akong kwarto mo. Yung kwarto ka ni. Asa man akong kwarto ka ni? Ay, kani giday. Matulog na ko? Okay, tulog na ko. Okay, tulog na ang bata. Uy, buka ako. Busit, kurtaan na lang ako, eh. Thank you so much na, pre. Oh, hell no! Duh! Patay ko? Patay si Mr. Redface, man! Pero si Mr. Redface sa akong kabinet. Digod sa ito si Mr. Redface, diri. Ano to siya, diri ganina, oh. Ano sa'yo next? Ano sa'yo sunod? Adra! Is that the gift from Mr. Redface? No way! Uy, ano ko eh. Kuhan ba yung stuff to eh. Hi, I'm Ron. Halo, gagong storya ang dalbay. What? You can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. You even have the same name and appearance as me. That's right, my master made me just for you. But your neck seems a bit loose. It's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small flaw compared to the other dolls. Stiff neck akong doll ba? What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend. That sounds wonderful. Okay, nako best friend na doll. Do you want to play something with me? My master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them from me? Closet, kani? Di mabri, bay! The closet is still stuck? Di mabri. Can you try that again? Sige daw. Sarado Japon, bay. I've tried my best, I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else? I'm hungry. Huh? You're a doll, can you even eat? Yatiya sa doll, oy, gutmon? No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. Ah, so mura, igisa ra silang intestine, bay. My master linked all your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you. Wow, that's amazing. Mukhaon sa ko, di ba? Okay, mukhaon sa ko. Saan ni Red Horse? Ito na ko pagkaon, ani? Ay, dara! You're reading this letter at 1 p.m., aren't you, sleepyhead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've been noticing you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating, Mom. Okay, Mom? Nasa fridge akong pagkaon, dara akong pagkaon. You're holding something else. Saan mo na ako pag-drop ani? Pwede na ako nibutang sa diri. Ay, ito na! Nilingko. Nilingko na ko dal. Yati. Inito na ko ni siya. Inito na ko. Pak. So, yan na. Luto na. Okay, tara. Magkao na ta. Cute to sa dal. Uy, nagana to. Tara, magkao na ta. Is that your favorite dish? Do you want to see me perform some magic? Yes, please. Alright, I'll make this plate of food never run out. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. Sana all. Oh, gikaw. Gikaw, tanan to mabalik ba? Wow, magic. Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do? Unsa pay kaya ni mabuhat, pre? Kago nisbog. Nisbog ang ilim nun. Oh, hell no. Wala ka ko niino. Niino man dalugwan, pre. Beer! Baliw! Uy! 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 Busit, kurtahanan ako eh. What just happened? Down sa to gago. I don't know, you guess. Oh no, the bottle, my dad's gonna whip my ass. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. Kasi master aning dalan eh. What did you say? Na akong papadari. Unay dal, pre. Ako man eh. As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you. But, this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. He is a bad person. No, he's not. Please let my dad go away. Go! I'm begging you. Alright, but my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad is being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him. Show me the way! The shortcut is through your closet. Okay, nasa akong closet. No, pwede na akong dalmin. Mo, ne? Sirado man. You still can't open it. That's waga ako kabasa, min. Awa, wala ko kabasa. Oh, wow, anong ko kabasa nun? Ambot, say buhaton ako aniron. Say buhaton ako, pre. Ay, dal. You should know that these closets can function as portals. They can take you anywhere you want, including where your dad is being held. Give it a try. Daw. Uy, gago. There's nothing in here. Oh, right. I forgot. There are a few steps you need to take to activate the shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet. Radio. Asa ang radyo ni Papa ni? Dra. Buta na to dari. This radio will work like an elevator button. You need to select a frequency first. If you choose the right frequency, the door will open to the place you need to go. Yati, kurtahan na ako busit. Kani mo ne? Seems like that's not it. Let's try it again. Uy, yatid! Kawusrado ba eh! Lay na bud. Ay, mo na portal, mo na nino. I think this is the one. Mo na ning portal ba eh. Sige daw, palakawan na ako. Go ahead and step in. I'll stay here and watch the house. Lo, asa ko, min. Hello? Kinsa man eh? What's up, Kat? I'm looking for my dad. Describe. My dad name is Bruce. Wait a moment. There are many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or bad Bruce? Well, my dad is the kind of person who gets a bit angry, so he's a bad Bruce. Let me see. Bad Bruce? There are still many bad Bruces. More specific, please. What else can he do? He often yells. Still not enough information. Sometimes he hits me. And slaps too. And that's all. The door is behind you. Oh, dala ng door, bye! Magkita na akong papa na ko. Uy, gago! Haha, you just got startled! Who are you guys? Just like you, we're kids on our way to find our parents. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Okay, see you later. Kidsan naman po ni mga bataan ni bay. Pangag yarn. Dad, what are you doing, Dad? Dad, don't tawa ka dara. Noon sa man siya ba itugnaw? Dad! Please stop punishing me. It's me, Dad! Please stop punishing me. Ay, dara! Unsa man ni? Nay card. Spell! Unsa man ni spell? Nay card diri, spell. Hoy, gago! Ay! Puta ragis! Sa man to? Hala, nabuhi akong dal. Yuti ako mamabay. Creepy, man. Wait lang, Isa. Hello! Uy, gago. Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Mr. Adfest has taken Dad. That's a good thing, then. I'm not joking. It's a long story. Let me explain. How is your doll, Ron, doing today? Is it alright? The doll, Mom? How do you know about it? Of course, I know, since you haven't taken your medicine today. Ay, mongoloid ko ba? This isn't the first time you've had such hallucinations. Hallucinate na po ko. Every time you tell a different story, but the common factor is always that stupid doll. Don't you remember the previous times? No. Sigh. I don't know what is wrong with you. Just go to bed. It's midnight already. Ma'am, liyok dara, ma'am. Matulog na ko. Hawa na diri. Hoy! Anong dali ramang ko makuratan, bay? Okay, matulog na ko. Hala! Sis! Hoy! Dal! Hoy! Oh! Unsa man na? What just happened? Son? Are you alright? Dili, magi. Ambot na unsa ko. Uy, ka-creepy, uy. Do you feel better now? Dili, kaya adlo kay ka. Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Redfe. It's alright. It's alright. Tomorrow I'll take a day off to stay home and take care of you. Really? Really? Promise me, Mom. I promise. Now go back to sleep. Yes, Mom. Ay, yes, Mom. Kurutanan ako eh. Usap-usap ang jumpscare, bay. Ano ba di jumpscare do? Ay, wala. Mom! Say, you've broken the promise again. Mom? Si Mama. Ay, dala si Dal. Wala nga, kulatang Dal. What happened to you? My master beat the shit out of me. He wasn't happy about what happened yesterday. I'm sorry, this is my fault. Tunggyad to ako si Papa. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. Pati akong mama, ikuha si master? What? It just happened. I'm sorry I couldn't stop him. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too. No, I have to save my mom and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Di ko lata ang dahil bay luya sa dalo. Wow, unsa man na? I found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him. That's the spell to defeat Mr. Redface. Come on, quickly, go into the closet to find where your mom is being held. Where is mom being held? No, saan is mom? Ay, mao man akong room. Diba? Mao man akong room. Closet. Asa ay closet nila di ay? Abro closet na ko, piskot. Mom! Bro, asa mo kung adto, bro? Dara. Nadari akong mama. Quickly throw the spell in here and take cover. Sige daw. Throw. Throw sa mama, bay. Throw, mom. Anya, take over. Asa mo ko ba take over, bay? Take over. Take over ko, Dre, take over. Uy! Yahat! Kinsa man eh! Ay, take over, tro. Kinsa ito si Mr. Redface, man! Saan man na si mom? Tapos, sa button sunod. Uy, kinsa man mo? Wala, tiger ni siya. Sa button ako sunod. Wala, dra! Namsa maning dal! What's happening to you? My master has been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry, this is what I wanted. Lalo, yes, Dalo, you should go outside and see your parents. Ano siya sa gawas? Yay! Nabalik na sila. Dara sila, men. Dara sila. Nabalik na sila. Hello, mom and dad. Okay na mo? Dad? Mom? Mom? Piyok po yun. Mom? Mom? Y'all are free now. Pak! Kagu! You've been having an affair, haven't you? I told you I was busy at work. Liar! Look, shit. Liar! You've neglected this family for another man. Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son? Hey, ate kadlok. And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching off me all year round. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support my child. And if you still think I'm a whore, you lower yourself even below that. Hoy, the words. Turagi sagparasan. One more word. Fine. You and I will get a divorce. One of us will have to move out of this house. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my son and leave. You stay right there. Dad, okay ra na, Dad. Dad, Dad, it's okay, Dad. It's okay, Dad. Okay ra na, Dad. Imo mong gisagpa good. Pak. Palahubog man ka, Dad. Duh. Gogo! Unsa man na si Mr. I won't let this happen. Hala, si Papa si Mr. Red Face? Lululo. Asa siya? Oy, utura si Papa. Hala, gogo ako na. Hala. Hala, si Red Face juday si Papa, min. Oh my God! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! No. This cannot be true. I'm very sorry, Ron. Your closet, I think you're able to open it now. Sabaa sa mga iro, Oh hell no! Ako na? This is me? Why don't I know anything about this? You've always known. Ha? Because I am the knowing part of you. Oh hell no. You've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better. Ay, salamat sa You tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and your dad. And me, I have to find a way to lead you back to the reality. I've tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? TikTok, boom! All the memories disappear. You once again wake up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you. Oh hell no! How long have I been dead? 14 days? Damn, warag balot. Sure, it can't have been that long. What really happened to my parents? As for your dad, he's hiding in a cheap motel room. So gatago si Papa. Uy, gago. Mauday! Uy, gago. Mauday ka to siya ingon og stop punishing me kay ginaungo din ako siya. Go home with me, Dad. Mura siya nagkuhan bay? Na-guilty? Oh, ginahadlok day siya sa akong kaluluwa di ay. Ginahadlok day siya sa akong kaluluwa. Mauday si... Oh! Mauday siya ingon, stop punishing me. Mura siya baliw. What about my mom? She still sees me, doesn't she? That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime... Mom, asa na ka, Mom? Son? Ba, nihilak siya bay. Nihilak si ma'am. Uy, sama na. Do you have any clues about your husband's hiding place? Do you have a clue? Ma'am, pag storya-storya, ma'am, ay sige hilak-hilak diya, ma'am. You just dropped something, ma'am. Hala, mo na tong spell card akong gilabay ganina. What is that? Oh, mo na tong spell card akong gilabay ganina. It's a motel card, but I'm not sure it's mine. Sumrag. Connected tanan, men. Ang katungkuan, tong gakurog-kurog si dad, kay guilty siya, niya ginaungo na ko siya. Mo siya gingod stop punishing me. Kay nagmahay siguro siya. Nagmahay siguro siya sa gibuhat ay ang gibuhat sa kuha. Killer father arrested. Hey. Unya si ma'am katong gilabay na ko na spell card, mao tutong address sa motel kung asa si dad. Tura ko bay, tiluyan ako oy. Nitindog na akong balahibo, OA yarn. Tura ko. Ang dal. Tura mga bata, men. Tura mga bata, oh. So kaning mga bataan ni kay kuan siya. Kanang mga gi-abuse food or di kaya kanang gipatay food, like same og story sa kuha kaning pangaga ni. Nya ako nadungag ko. Oh hell no. Dark kay backstory, men. The end.